Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Turpentine Creek Wildlife Refuge. We are live on Bear Day with Michael Bear. Well, Michael Bear's still eating his breakfast, but he's been released into access to his habitat. Oh, I thought I was going to catch some caroling. No? Okay. It's a lion for you. It's Savo caroling this morning. Camera, get the camera. Sorry. Alright. So we've got some morning caroling going on. This happens most mornings. The lion's talking back and forth. We're waiting on Michael to come out of his night house to enjoy his enrichment for the day. We've got him a special Bear Day enrichment. You can see here we've got lots of branches. Got a special Bear Day boxes set up. It says donate for Bear Day 2017. If you look at the caption on this video, we've currently raised about $71,600 out of $150,000 that we need for our 2 bear habitats. So please do donate. Every little bit helps. We kind of hit a standstill in the bear habitats, and we really need to raise the rest of the money so our 5 new bear can go out in big, spacious habitats. You can't see it really well, but in the pool we actually have giant ice cubes. So it's almost like a little iceberg in the pool for the bears. Michael's too engrossed in his breakfast to come out and enjoy the habitat, which happens a lot with the bears. But go back over and see him. I just want to show you all the enrichment that we got set up for him when he's ready. So, a Michael Bear came to us from a private owner almost a year ago, around the very beginning of September, right before we took on the Colorado project. So, we're just waiting on the hungry bear to go out and enjoy his enrichment. So, good morning, Michael. He's eating breakfast still. So yeah, it's Bear Day, and today is just a day to celebrate bears and to celebrate the people that help bears. And there's a lot of bears in need of help right now, including our bears. Bears have a different type of habitat than our big cats. Bears can climb and dig, so we have to prevent climbing and digging in our habitats. The setup for the bear habitats is slightly different than our cat habitats because of this. So that's why we have to build these habitats. Our new habitats are going to be humongous. They're going to be a little over half an acre and a little over 1.5 acres large. Natural habitats, so they'll have trees in them and berry bushes and brush for the bears to gather up to build nests. And we're going to build pools in the habitats for the bears, so they've got nice built-in pools. It's just going to be some amazing habitats that are going to be made especially for these bears. The bears that are going in are Huggy, Holly, Lolly, Popper, Coated Girl, and Xena. All but Popper were part of our Colorado project. Popper came at the same time that Michael did. She was a wild bear that a human got between her and her cubs, and she ended up attacking the human. But so they decided to put her in captivity. She was what's known as a nuisance bear. But See if we can maybe get Coda to come out, or Michael to come out. Come on, Michael, go enjoy enrichment. Come on, let's go outside. Door's right behind you, City Bear. Oh, no. Come on. I don't know. He has a lot of enrichment to enjoy throughout the day. You can see all the branches and stuff that's on his pool. Grace is hi from Ohio. Hello, Grace. He's got, looks like some fruit sickles, which is, we freeze ice and water and fruit in little icicles. It's great on a hot day, kind of like you get a popsicle at home. The bears absolutely love their fruit sickles. It's great enrichment for them. Kind of makes them work a little bit for their snacks. So I'm gonna try to get Michael to come out. Here we go.
He stepped on me.
Hi, Tommy. See, this is Michael.
Look at all the stuff, Michael.
Hello, Karen from Mississippi. Hopefully Michael will come out and enjoy his enrichment a little more. Come on, Michael. Hi, handsome. Come on. No, come back this way. Come on, Michael. There, maybe. Make sure you share this video of our bears and let everyone know about Bear Day. Encourage your friends to donate. Every little bit helps. We have a long way to go to get our bear habitats funded, but I know with your help we can do it. Hello, Nikki from Kansas, who loves the bears. Yes, Karen is pointed out, we are also doing an auction right now online. You can find the link at the top of our Facebook page. If not, it's www.biddingowl.com/Turpentine Creek Wild L. There's lots of wonderful items that are up for auction right now. That auction goes today until 6 p.m. Central Time, 7 p.m. EDT. So go on. There's some great items to bid on. There's paw paintings from our bears and some from the cats. We've got overnight lodging stays with our new packages. We've got the first ever Cub Club membership for kids. It's a great little package for kids. It's got coloring books and stuffed animals specifically for kids. A new program we're starting. There's just so much going on and so much items. And Michael's enjoying his fruit sickle. Nikki, there's brush around his pool. It's filled with water, and it actually has a floating chunk of ice. They froze this humongous barrel full of water and put it in there, which is split in half, of course. But he's got his own little iceberg in his pool, too. The bears really enjoy the brush, the branches. We gather them from throughout our property and put them in their habitats as enrichment. They just seem to really love it, so. So again, today is Bear Day. It's a day just kind of talk about bears, celebrate the people that take care of bears. And for Bear Day this year, I'm going to do some live video throughout the day of enrichment for the bears, or just watching the bears, enjoying the bears. We're also fundraising for our 2 new bear habitats that we're working on right now. We've raised roughly about $71,600 for the bear habitat. Hello, Michael. We've raised $71,600 for the bear habitat roughly so far, and we've got to raise about $150,000. So we still have a long way to go, but with your help, I believe we should be able to make that and get our new bear into wonderful habitats. Now, Michael is not one of the bears going into the new habitat. Michael enjoys his habitat. The bears that are going to be going into the new habitats is Huggy, Holly, Lolly, Coda G, Xena, and Popper. All but Popper were part of our Colorado project. Came to us from Colorado. Weren't expecting it, so we just had to retrofit a couple cat habitats. But we're really hoping to get those habitats done soon. See if he'll go after the boxes this time. Looks like they're getting the other habitat ready. Putting a giant floating ice cube in their pool as well. So I might start making my way over there so we can watch the next set of bears get their morning enrichment. So bear with me as I move. I'll try not to move it too much. Maybe something other than caging going by. How old is Michael? Grace asked. Ooh, I should know this one. Let me double check for you. How old is Michael, Emily? Okay.
I'll look.
All right. I'll try to get back to you on that one as soon as I can find out for sure. Don't want to give you a number and it not be accurate. See if we can get another angle on Michael. Michael is 10. Hi, Coda. Here's Coda, one of our other bear residents. And Popper's sleeping in her den. So. You can see Suze is getting some watermelons in. This is Thunder and Harley, Betsy and Coda's habitat. But if you look, you can see there's an ice cube in this habitat, in their pool. Now there's some floating watermelons. So it's gonna be a fun morning for all of our bears. Let's get back to Coda, or Michael, sorry. While we're waiting on everyone else. Good morning, Michael. And it is a start of a lovely day out here at Turpentine. There's a beautiful breeze out. It's not quite too hot yet. It's actually going to be cooler, I believe, this upcoming week than it has been in a while. Yes, hello, Michael Bear. Such a handsome bear. Come on, handsome. Go on. Go enjoy your habitat. Yep. We're going to watch Thunder and Harley come out and enjoy their habitat now. So. Michael is from, I believe, Oklahoma. Right? He was privately owned. We've had him for just under a year. He came to us last September, right before the Colorado Project. This is Thunder and Harley. And the cinnamon-colored bear is Thunder.
Where's this bear from? Man.
Hello, Thunder. Oh. Michael, Thunder, and Harley are all American black bears. So.
Go play with stuff.
Hey. Where was Thunder from?
Same rescue as Bam Bam
Yeah,
Grizzly Bear. Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. Okay, so the Thunder's also from Oklahoma. Like Bam Bam. They were from the same rescue, so. Oh, you hear the crinkling.
I have peanuts. You want peanuts? Alright, here you go.
You heard crinkling bags, of course. Emily has some peanuts. Those good peanuts. Maybe Harley will go after the boxes. Ah, bear enrichment. There's too much. Yeah. Such exciting bears. Nikki asked if that's an electric line going past the that they see.
Yes.
You want to explain that, why we have those?
Yeah, because the bears can dig, so they have to stay a certain distance from the fence. So our new design, we put concrete footers everywhere, just for future in case there's brown bear that need to be rescued or ever put in these habitats. So that keeps them back away from the fence line so that they can't dig.
And it's just a low little
Yeah,
buzz.
for the black bears, it's just a low little, but good enough for a bear. But
yeah.
They pretty much all know where it's at. And
Yeah.
see, I dropped a peanut under there, and he knew not to touch it, but he just scooted it under there.
Alright, well thank you everyone for joining us for this first live video for the day. Plan to try to do a couple more live videos throughout the day, so. And we'll do Bam Bam too in a little bit. So please keep an eye out on Facebook for the day and join us for the next live videos. Thank you everyone for joining us.